Hey ladies, welcome back to another episode of Shop My Stash / Get Ready With Me. So I've already primed my face with the Sheglam Good Grip Hydrating Primer, and now I'm going to get into color correcting. Using my Sheglam Orange Color Corrector for hyperpigmentation around my mouth. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to use this Revlon Colorstay 5-in-1 Concealer. I have the shade 076. For foundation, I'm going to be using mixing the Dolce Gabbana Everlast foundation 27 in 2 yellow and the L'Oreal Fresh Infallible. This is way too warm and dark. That's what she looks like after mixing. What are your ladies' favorite foundations? Let me know in the comment section. Then to highlight, I'm going to use like a dot of this Revolution Conceal and Hydrate because it's way too bright. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to let that sit. And while it's sitting, I'm going to cream bronze with this earthy Sun Sculpt liquid bronzer from Sheglam. I have the shade Earthy Sepia. This is literally one of my favorite bronzers. Perfect undertone, perfect shade. It's just amazing. Blend it out. You guys see that how nice and warm it is, and perfect bronzer shade for me. Love it so much. Sheglam also has these shades but in like a shimmery kind of finish. Haven't tried those yet. Literally, this was so bright. One dot is like more than enough. Today I wanted to play with this Kevin Coco 72 color eye and face palette. So this is like a one-stop shop kind of palette. It has eyeshadow, highlighter, bronzers, and all you could ever need basically. So I'm gonna use the bronzer there at the blush there at the bottom. The cream, it has creams and powders. This one has like a kind of like a deep pink, a little bit of red in it. Really nice. Oh, that is such a pretty shade. Well, I'm gonna use the Sheglam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. I'm gonna use the bottom shade, which is like my skin tone shade, because that highlight, that concealer is very, very bright. It does not need to be brightened anymore. Liquid bronzer with Miss Charlotte. I have the shade 310. Really nice bronzer. Alright, I'm gonna put that shade in the beginning, in like close to the inner corner of my eyes. That shade like close to the outer edges, and I'm gonna put this glitter in the middle. Go closest to the inner corners. Ooh, really pretty. Matches my knit top. These eyeshadows are so good. There's no even any fallout. And if you are like starting out in makeup, this is a really, really nice kind of palette to get, because you have all the colors you could ever dream about. Like everything is in here for you to play with and experiment and all the good stuff. I'm just gonna blend out the edges. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with the glitter. And then the darker one. This one. That one there. Oh, gorge. I'm gonna use this concealer brush just to clean up. Have a nice clean line. So I'm gonna finish up the eyes with mascara and liner, and I will be back in a jiffy. Okay, so I'm back. Here's the eye look. And I've also done lip combo using this Mirror High Shine Kiss lipstick from Sheglam, the shade Period. And I lined my lips with this Essence 8-Hour Matte Lip Liner in the shade Chestnut Perfection. So this is the end of today's video. Let me know down below in the comments what do you think about this look. I really love this eye look. I'm just gonna blend out the edges. Have you been shopping your stash? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.